A gyre is a flow around the periphery of an ocean basin as circular pattern of currents. They flow clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. Let's take a closer look at a gyre. This is called the South Atlantic Gyre. It is located in the southern hemisphere between South America and South Africa. Notice that at the surface, the currents are moving counterclockwise. Well, surface currents are generally wind-driven and develop their typical counterclockwise spiral rotation in the southern hemisphere because of the wind direction, continent arrangement, and the Coriolis effect. First, let's examine the wind directions. Wind is the mass movement of air. Looking at the area near the South Atlantic Gyre, we see that the wind directions that may affect the gyre include the trade winds and the westerlies. On either side of the equator, the trade winds come together and move west, while the westerlies blow wind from the west. These wind patterns cause the surface of the ocean to move counterclockwise. Next, let's take a look at the continental arrangement. Notice the wind directions of the land weren't there. The surface water would keep going in the direction there would be no gyre. However, the land placement of South America and South Africa deflect the water so that the continents move along the land and in the gyre movement. Recall that the Coriolis effect is the deflection of moving air or water or any object within mass away from the initial course. The curve will be to the left, counterclockwise from the expected path in the southern hemisphere. This deflection means that even though the wind blows one direction, the surface current will blow 45 degrees counterclockwise from that. The layer of water directly under that will be deflected from the layer above, and so on as the water deepens. This deflection spiraling down is called the Ekman transport, while the net water transport direction is about 90 degrees away from the original wind direction. The surface transport deflection is only 45 degrees.